Please enjoy this unique aerial view of the hanging flume of western Colorado. Located at mile marker 82, the hanging flume overlook gives visitors long views of the remaining flume structure. Once considered the eighth wonder of the world, it was at one point visible from space. It carried millions of gallons of water to placer mining operations working in that area of the canyon, but efforts yielded amounts of gold that were not profitable to maintain the mining operation. We get to see the flume from a different perspective. Also note a car is sticking out of the river directly underneath the flume overlook area. I have never seen that in 7 years of visiting that site. Thank you for flying with us today, and have a fantastic week. If you enjoyed the work, please support it by selecting like and subscribe. Thank you.